Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Arco Linux 2023 on VMWare Workstation 17.5. So make sure that you have installed the updated version of VMWare Workstation 17.5. So this is my updated version. Okay, now I am going to create one new virtual machine. So browse the installer disk image file, Arco Linux 2023.12, that is 23.12. So under Linux version, I am selecting other Linux 6.x kernel 64-bit. Okay, so now provide the name. So I am giving the name as Arco Linux 23.12. Now browse the destination path where Arco Linux virtual machine is getting stored. Okay, click next. So provide the hard disk size as 40 GB actual hard disk size, and sort as a single disk. Now I am upgrading the memory to 8 GB RAM, increasing the CPU core to 4 CPU cores. Rest of the settings will be remain as it is. So select the first option in the boot menu, boot Arco Linux open source. So you can see that this is the live media running. So Arco Linux welcome app, click the easy installation offline. So this will start the Arco Linux installer. So English will be my default language. So select the location, keyboard. So partitions, select the option erase disk and swap no hibernate ext4 file system. So users, provide the login username and name of this computer. So host name. Next, provide the password. Next, provide the password for the administrator account. Okay, install now. Okay, Arco Linux installation is done. Okay, I am going to restart the Arco Linux virtual machine. Okay, so installation is completed and logged in as a Java Forum user. So in welcome app, you can see that update Arch Linux mirrors. Click that one. So it will ask for a password. So update the mirrors. So first step is update the mirrors. So mirrors are updated successfully. Now I am going to check the shared clipboard feature. So open the text editor. So Sublime Text is the default text editor in Arco Linux. So our repositories got updated. Yes, I can able to copy paste from Arco Linux virtual machine to Windows source machine. Now let me try from Windows source machine. Once again go to development, Sublime Text, open another tab. Yes, I can able to copy paste the content from Windows source machine to Arco Linux virtual machine. So shared clipboard is working. Now let me try the drag and drop. So I am trying the drag and drop. So little difficult here. Yes, I can able to drag and drop the files from Windows machine to Arco Linux virtual machine. So which means that VMWare Tools will be installed by default in Arco Linux. So no need any manual installation. So it will automatically download it from repositories and installed. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to enable the shared folder. Go to VM settings, options, shared folders, always enabled. Okay, browse the shared folder from Windows source machine. So it means that I am going to mount one folder from Windows source machine to Arco Linux virtual machine. Enable this share. Okay. So after restarting the machine, I am going to edit /etc/fuse.conf file. So under that I am going to uncomment user underscore allow underscore other. So uncomment this line, so that you can access the enable the shared folder to all the users. That is the meaning here. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to home directory of Java FRM user and creating one directory. Okay, now I am giving permission to the directory which I have created. Full permission. So I am exiting from root user. Now I am running this command vmhgfs-fuse -o allow underscore other -o auto unmount. Okay. So I have provided the command in the description of this video. So finally I can able to access the shared folder content. So finally Arco Linux 23.12 installation of VMware is successful.